of Azimio and all Kenyans to lay a flower in memory of our dear departed. And he will also lead the nation in lighting the candle. And we want to ask all Kenyans across our country to light up a candle today and to say a prayer for the dear departed. As our leader is doing this, we are happy that across the country I've seen in Kisii already people have started lighting candles. Please, in your own special way, as the Right Honorable Raila Odinga is doing, do so in memory of our dear departed. And after our leader, we'll ask the Honorable Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka to come and also, thank you very much. Our leader lays the flowers in memory of the dear departed. His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka will follow to do the same, to lay the flower and observe a minute of silence. And he'll thereafter also light